What's going on, y'all? Let's go ahead and make us some real good pasta. Now this is shrimp and oyster, y'all, in a good Alfredo sauce. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So the first thing we need to do, we gonna go ahead and fry up some chicken thighs. Now these are already pre-seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And we're just gonna give those a flippy flip when they, get halfway done. And of course, we looking for that internal temperature of 175. As soon as it get there, we gonna get them out. And then we're gonna get our onions and bell peppers in that same pan, y'all. Because we want that flavor from that chicken. Then we gonna go ahead and rain on it with salt, pepper. Now after we get done doing that, we gonna go ahead and salt our water for our pasta and get that up to a boil. And we gonna continue to sweat our onions and bell peppers down, y'all. Now don't forget about that pasta water. Make sure you go ahead and get your noodles in, y'all. Get your noodles in. As soon as we get that nice good color, we gonna hit it with a little bit of heavy cream and mix that on in. Once that heavy cream has come together and it's mixed all in, we gonna get our Parmesan cheese in. And be generous, y'all. I like mine a little extra cheesy. So do wifey. So I guess it's a matter of taste, but make sure you get enough in there where you taste that cheese. And then we gonna mix that up real good. Go ahead and rain on it with a little salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and a tablespoon of butter. Give that a real mix, letting that butter melt. As soon as we get that butter melted, we gonna go ahead and get our oysters in. Now these oysters are pre-cooked, smoked canned oysters. And then we gonna get our shrimp in. Straight raw, y'all. And we gonna let them cook in this sauce, y'all. Now as soon as we get that perfectly cooked shrimp, it's time to add that pasta, y'all. Time to add that pasta. Cause it's time to eat for real. Our pasta's done, our shrimp is done, them oysters was already cooked. They just bringing great flavor. So the only thing we got left to do is get our pasta in and mix it up, y'all. Incorporating that flavor inside of that pasta noodle. And as soon as that flavor get incorporated, it's time to plate up, y'all. Time to get our grub on. Get us some shrimp, some oyster, all that. We trying to get all that in this bite. But hey, we might not. Cause that shrimp trying to act crazy with me. But I do got that oyster, y'all. So go ahead and take a look at that bite, y'all. Oh yeah. Let me go ahead and get this in my mouth because I'm hungry. And this is tasty. So tasty, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.